My name's Jeff Curry. I own a leather goods business, and I converted this Ram ProMaster City into my business mobile. So what I did was wrap it, and I did a small conversion on the inside. You'll see lots of van builds with all these different things. I went more on the minimalist side, but coming to the back, I'm gonna give you a look at what I did to this Ram ProMaster City. So first thing you'll see is I created a subfloor in here, put the rubber coin flooring down, nothing extravagant. Did some light insulation before I put these custom little panels that I cut out of 1/4-inch ply. I got a little cubby here, and I got another cubby on the other side that you'll see when I fold my coffee table down. I put in some vents because once I started traveling this, I knew that I needed some ventilation. So everything is hooked up to this battery. I did not wire it into my van. I ran some tests, and this thing will power me all weekend long, so I didn't really need to worry about that. I just wanted to make sure I had enough space for my products and to sleep. I was not worried about a bathroom situation or a kitchenette or anything like that. So what I did do was I put in a little fold-out coffee table, and there's another little nook back here, and I just run a French press with the Jetboil. So in the morning when I get up, I don't have to drive to a coffee shop. I just wanted to be able to make some coffee in bed and get my day started. And then I built a little cabinet kind of around the wheel well. So this is where I stash my French press. There's just kind of little odds and ends spots where I can put stuff, my wallet, my keys at night. And I have a partition back here. So what I built was a little curtain. This is mainly for safety so that nobody can get back here, but I got a little curtain that opens up, some coat hooks, a custom fitted bed, which is pretty cozy. I'm only doing stuff in the summer, so heating wasn't something I was worried about either, but I was on a budget. I did it all on my own. I have a little bit of woodworking skills, so I just used some 1/4-inch ply on the walls. It was a little scary screwing into the van, but I was very cautious before I went full bore with a drill, and yeah, it came out great. Super happy with it. I watched a ton of videos of other people doing things, so I took inspiration from a bunch of different van builders, but this is what I came to, and I spent about a year traveling in it, doing shows, and it worked out amazing. So thanks for watching. If you want to check out my leather goods, go to darkforestusa.com, or you'll see me on the road.